Bullish Jasmy coin cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 4 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept JASMY could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Jasmy coin presentation. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the conventional design of a market, the digital currency market continues developing and fanning out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Be that as it may, with this non-stop advancement and extension, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin. Jasmy stage fills in as an information insurance convention that places information a majority rules system at a high worth and plans to go about as a delegate for the protected trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces. This guarantees that information isn't handily gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in unified frameworks, which help information examination and cornered figures. In this video, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin. Will the past cost exhibition make it a wise speculation for the following bull run? Will it hit all time again after this demise twisting? And what's the cost figure for Jasmy before very long? What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based coin and local badge of the JASMY stage, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Ando made to interface more web gadgets, consequently enhancing the customary method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves a gigantic scope of issues and purposes. As per Jasmy coin's white paper, in a digitalized world, people don't just go about as clients who partake in the comfort of IoT gadgets, yet additionally as information suppliers who produce various kinds of information around their living climate. We accept that the responsibility for information will have a place with the actual people, not to an incorporated organization. The coin was sent off first in Tokyo, Japan, before significant trades recorded and accordingly viewed as the primary authority Japanese crypto coin and managed by the nation's administration. Jasmy coin is likewise a utility symbolic that gives the foundation and climate to decentralized servers to assist individuals with the most common way of putting away their information in information storage and exchanging them with organizations prepared to have it. This decentralized server that offers this help and is utilized by the stage is called IPFS, a decentralized stockpiling framework. Juan Bennett made this capacity framework. Yet the organization used to construct it as Global Space Record Frameworks, which offers a convention that speeds up, makes a more open and more secure web, and incorporates trust into the blockchain. This convention is likewise Web3's stockpiling network that offers the motivations of Filecoin as its auxiliary. Jasmy coin current cost. Jasmy coin is right now worth $0. JASMY has moved 3.34% as of now with an exchanging volume of $69,424,204. Jasmy coin is right now positioned 126 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $253,187,288 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Jasmy coin market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The JASMY cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. JASMY is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Jasmy coin value expectation 2024. In 2024, Jasmy coin JASMY cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of JASMY will before long outperform 1 cent. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the JASMY's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, JASMY will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Jasmy coin value forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and JASMY might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. JASMY is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2025. Jasmy coin value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Jasmy coin effectively supports market feeling among digital money fans, the JASMY coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, JASMY will be green in 2026. The JASMY is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Jasmy coin value forecast 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the JASMY cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, JASMY has a most extreme value worth of 3 cents. Jasmy coin value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 3 cents. On the off chance that JASMY figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 3 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help JASMY needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 3 cents. Jasmy coin value forecast 2029. While JASMY is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 3 cents and a yearly cost close above 4 cents in 2029. Jasmy coin value forecast 2030. By 2030, Jasmy coin will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 4 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 4 cents, averaging out at 4 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest JASMY cost in 2031 is projected to be 5 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 5 cents. What is the Jasmy coin cost today? Today, Jasmy coin is exchanging at $0 an all-out market capitalization of $253,187,288. Is Jasmy coin a wise speculation? Jasmy coin ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy to say that JASMY is a decent decision of speculation. How high might Jasmy coin at any point go? The typical cost of Jasmy coin might perhaps reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Jasmy coin might outperform 3 cents. What amount will Jasmy coin be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising prevalence of digital money and Jasmy coin, a drawn-out interest in